In this video, we are going to show off one of our testers that we use here for testing servo valves, such as this one. This is a Rexroth directional high response control valve. And here is our proportional valve tester. We'll point out a couple of things. We've got a supply voltage here, 24 volts. We've got our LVDT, which is a linear variable differential transformer. There is a transducer inside the valve that is used to measure displacement, so position in this case for the valve. And then there is our command signal. So this valve takes a plus or minus 10 volt command signal, and we can adjust it here. And this command signal should shuttle the valve back and forth. We'll go ahead and demonstrate this. So we're going to turn the valve over and get a look at the spool so we can see if the outboard electronics are functional. You can see here the spool through the two middle holes there. And now we'll go ahead and shuttle the spool negative 10 volts. And now you can see the shuttle moved all the way to the right. We're going to go positive 10 volts. And you can see the shuttle go all the way to the left. So this tells us that when we supply a command signal, the outboard electronics of this valve is doing its job. It is shuttling the spool to the left and to the right according to its response curve. So we're going to put this valve through a few more cycle tests, then disassemble the valve, service everything, change all the seals and components, service the outboard electronics for out of tolerance or aging electronics and electronic components, and then retest everything. And this valve will be fully repaired, tested, and ready for the customer.